So this is a little extension on the triangle lesson that we did before. And it is the sum of the angle measures of a triangle, and they add up to 180 degrees. So if we were to add up all of these, it should always equal 180 degrees. So it says that we're supposed to find the value of x and then classify each triangle. Classifies from the last lesson, so we can do that. But we're going to start by saying, since we know all of these equal 180 when we add up all these measures, we can say x plus 28 plus 50 equals 180. Combining the like terms, 180 equals x plus 70, oops, not 79. No, I'm right, 78. Now we're going to subtract 78 from both sides. We get 102 equals x. So the measure of this angle right here is 102 degrees. On this one, we know again it equals 180. So we're going to add together. Oh, whoa, we got to make that an equals. Equals, now we can add together x plus 45 plus, remember that little thing means 90. So combining the like terms, we have 180 equals x plus 135. Subtract 135 from both sides, and we get x equals 45. So this angle right here equals 45 degrees. Example 2 says that we're supposed to take these flags and find the value of x just like we were doing before. And we are going to say, since this is a triangle, that little green part, we know 180 must equal the x plus the x plus 128. In this case, we're adding together the like terms, which are x's, so we get 2x plus 128. Subtract 128 from both sides, and we get 2x equals 12 degrees. No, not 12, sorry, 62. 50. Oh, no, let's just borrow here. This is a 7 minus 2 is 5. Yes, so let's fix that. It is a 5. 52. Now we divide by 2, and we get x equals 26. On the flag of Cuba, we have a 60-degree angle and 2 x's. So we have 180 equals 2 x's plus 60. I just went ahead and added those two together right from the start. So then we can subtract 60 from both sides, and we get 120 equals 2x. Divide by 2, you get x equals 60. So each one of those two angles are, those two angles are 60 degrees. And each of these two angles are 26 degrees. On this one, this also is one that we want to know, can this work? Can we add these together and will it equal 180 degrees? So we're just going to take the numbers 5 and 2/3, add it together with 64 and 1/3, and add that together with 87. So 2/3 and 1/3 is 1 whole. So I'm not going to put any fraction here, but I'm going to put a markup here, carry my 1. So I have 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7, and then here we have 8 and 6 is 14 plus 1 is 15. So this adds up to 157, which means that this is not a triangle. Here's one for you to try. Push the pause, add them up, see if it is a triangle. When you add them up, you get 180 degrees, so yes, it is a triangle. Here's another one for you to try. Go ahead, push pause. So when we add these together, we have 180 equals 2x plus 45, subtract the 45, then when we divide by 2, we get 67.5 degrees. So each of these angles is 67.5 degrees. Number 12, when we add them up, we have 180 equals 2x plus 60. That looks just like the one we did for our practice, only it's not a flag this time. So we end up with x equals 60. 60, 60, 60.